Hey, it's Jeff at Trev Deeley Motorcycles, and it's time for part of the week. And this time, the part is the Jiffy Stand Extension. So this is kind of a functional part. Now, if you're having some trouble reaching your kickstand, and this can be for various different reasons. Some of the bikes, Dynas, can be kind of hard just to grab the kickstand, and if you're struggling, one of the things you can do to help out is to get an extension, and you can add that onto your bike. Now they come for different bikes. You can get them for touring, for the newer M8 models, and also for the older bikes. So you want to make sure you get the correct one. They're easy to put on yourself, but if you are struggling and having trouble grabbing that kickstand, then the solution may be the Jiffy Stand Extension or Kickstand Extension.